This is Miss Chambers, and I am going to demonstrate for you how to find the measure of an angle using a protractor. Here it says find the measure of the angle and determine if it is acute, obtuse, or right. So in order to determine out of those three which this angle is, first have to find its measure. So if I take my protractor, what I want to do first is I want to line up this cross section here, this intersection of these two lines, with the vertex of my angle. The vertex is where the two sides of the angle meet. A lot of protractors, instead of just having two lines intersecting, they actually have a little small hole or circle here. Whatever it is, you want to line it up with the vertex of the angle. And then you want to rotate your protractor so that the line marked 0, so see this has a 0 on it, and this has a 0 on it. Line up one of the sides of your angle with one of those 0 lines. So I can turn my protractor this way, line it up with this 0, or I can turn my protractor this way, line it up with that 0. It doesn't matter which one as long as the side of your angle is lined up with the 0. Then I want to look at the other side and find what number it falls on. Now, if you'll notice, your protractor has two numbers. One's smaller and one's larger. The question is, which one do I use? Well, one of the ways you can figure it out is you can look at where your 0 is, which is on top here, and that means I'm going to use the top number. The other way you can think about this is an acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Remember, 90 degrees is a right angle, so it's sort of like an L shape. Well, this is definitely less than 90 degrees, so I definitely wouldn't use the measure that was greater. Either way, you're going to use this top row of numbers, and you want to count from 0 over, so it's 40, and then count tick marks. And you count the tick marks starting with the first one beyond the whole number. So this will be 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I would say this angle is 47 degrees. Now remember, in this class there's the rule of 1. So if you put 46 or 48, I would still count it correct.